Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage game data on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen. You can find different options. New, if you want to manage or set the game data, click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Go to the second button, the game, at the left side of the screen. And in the graphic settings section, you can find the last option, the manage game data. Click to the manage button. And here you can select which resources you would like to delete. Delete unused resources or delete all possible resources. Just select one, click to the square icon and click to the delete button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.